In front of me is TECNO Spark Go, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off Google Passwords Autofill. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll all the way down to access Google section. Then tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and blue switcher next to Use Autofill with Google. So when I tap, as you can see, Google Autofill is disabled. If you want to enable it, select the same No Gray switcher next to it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!